A bowl contains 20 ounces of water. When the bowl is uncovered, the amount of water in the bowl decreases by 1 ounce every 4 days. If 9 ounces of water remain in this bowl, for how many days has it been uncovered? So we have a bowl of water that starts off with 20 ounces, and after 4 days, every 4 days, the number of ounces decreases by 1. So after the first 4 days, the bowl will only have 19 ounces. And we're asked to find how many days have passed if we find that there's only 9 ounces left. So if there was a lot of days in between and we found 9 ounces of water in the bowl. So the way we can solve this is by using the rate here, that every 4 days there's 1 ounce that has left the bowl. So if we started with 20 ounces and a certain amount of water left the bowl, we'll say it's X amount, such that after that X amount left, we're left with 9 ounces, then we can solve for how much ounces left the bowl. So X is simply just equal to 11. So that means 11 ounces left the bowl. And we know that it takes 4 days for 1 ounce to leave the bowl. So if 11 ounces left, then if we multiply that with 4, we'll get the total number of days it took for 11 ounces to leave the bowl, since each ounce takes 4 days. So that means 44 days passed for 9 ounces of water to remain in the bowl. So the correct answer choice is D.